They're keeping you.
Oh,
How's our energy here, there?
is it?
Oh. I get it. You just want to keep peace, right?
Yes, I'm trying to get a hold of these people.
I'm not worried about that right now. No. I'm not worried about that at all.
I'm gonna cough now, so I'll have to hear them.
I'm trying to stop my...
Let's keep on coughing, because they're not on there yet, so.
I don't want them to hear me or...
Oh, that's why I do it now.
I'm good. I just don't want to overdo it.
You're not gonna overdo it.
You're sure?
Yeah. It's ridiculous.
That is ridiculous. Look, all I know is, like, I'm not so able to be too kind about this. There was a gay man there. I was like, well,